What do these 4 words have in common? They all have a silent D sound. Let's practice pronouncing these words together. Number 1, handful. Handful. I have a handful of markers. 2, sandwich. Sandwich. I had a sandwich for lunch today. Number 3, Wednesday. Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. 4, handsome. Handsome. He is very handsome. Practice saying those words so you can get really good at those silent D's. And let me know, what other words can you think of that have a silent D? Drop them in the comments.